Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. My name is Shirley. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm all about unboxings and reviews, and whenever there are coupon codes available, I'll be sure to leave it in the comment section below so that you guys can take advantage of the perks as well. Today we are going to be unboxing Prime Wardrobe. Prime Wardrobe is only available to Amazon Prime members. What you do is you go to the Amazon Prime Wardrobe page and you select items that you want to try, put it in your box. You can select up to 8 items, so you can either choose from shoes or clothing or accessories. Put it in this box, they'll ship it to you. You don't have to pay for any of it unless you decide to keep it. Once you receive your box, you have 7 days to try everything on and ship it back. If for some reason they don't receive it back, they'll charge you for the full price of the box. I've seen ads for Amazon Prime in the past, but I've never tried them before. And in order to make this video, I wanted to place an order for my first box. And to be honest, it was a little bit frustrating. Amazon.com in general is more of a data-driven website, and everything on there is not very pleasing to the eyes. It looks very structured and it looks a little bit old school, to be honest with you. It kind of looks like what eBay looks like. So when shopping on Amazon for clothes, it was a little bit of a turnoff. The website is not made to look good. It's made to work because there's millions and millions and millions of products on there. So when you're shopping for clothes, something that you're used to doing on other websites, looking at pretty pictures and pretty models wearing clothes, they don't really have that on Amazon. They do have models wearing clothes, but I don't know. It's hard to explain. The way that the page is designed, it just feels like it's just very techie. All right, so let's have a look at the items that I got. So you can choose up to 8 items. You don't have to put 8 items in here. If you only have 6 or if you only have 4, you can ship that as well. Oh, okay, so whoops, I didn't see that. It says open here and there's a perforation here, so you can just kind of tear it open. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. All right, so let me just show you real quick. So even though there's a piece of tape here, they don't want you to cut the box because once you do, you'll damage the box. And when you ship back the items, the flaps are not going to be long enough, if that makes sense. So once you tear this out, you have another flap here, and then you can just peel that off and then seal your box and send it back to them. All right, so that's pretty clever. Here are the brands. So here's what customers are saying about their favorite brands by Amazon. These 2 brands are a little more affordable. They also have other brands working with them, and those pieces are a little more expensive. All right. So here are all of the items that I got. Okay, so it looks like this is a envelope of some sorts, and when you open it, there is a packing slip as well as a UPS label so that you can put the label back on the box and send it back via UPS. So you either have to drop it off at UPS, or if you're getting a delivery from UPS, you can ask your driver if they can take it for you. I have a price list here, so let's see if we can match that up. So the first item that I got is I think something from J. Crew. Looks like everything is new and wrapped in a plastic bag. So this is a J. Crew top, J. Crew Mercantile, women's eyelet camp shirt in ivory. It's a little bit big for a size small, no? I saw some reviews of people saying that it's very boxy and it runs big. I usually wear a medium, so I went with a small for this one. But even this looks big. I wonder if I should have ordered an extra small. This top was pretty cute, but it's a little bit see-through for my liking, and it was a little bit too big as well, so I just went ahead and returned this one. The second item that I got is a pair of white jeans. That's something that I've been wanting for the summer, and it's just hard to find white jeans that are not see-through, so I really hope that these are not that see-through. These white jeans are actually Lee jeans, Riders by Lee. Oh, this is only $24.99. That's a pretty good deal. So I ordered this in a size 6. Oh, maybe I should have gotten an 8. It's not too see-through. You can still kind of see my hand. Let's try this on. I thought that this would be a cute white on white outfit for the summer. These jeans overall fit pretty well, but I was hoping to have something a little more high-waisted. And sorry about the color. The white balance was off on the camera, but it's actually pretty white. So I returned this one as well. The next item that I got is something by Daily Ritual, which is one of Amazon's brands. I think this is what is this? Oh, this is a jumpsuit. I remember this one. Daily Ritual Women's Super Soft Terry Sleeveless Wide Leg Jumpsuit in black, and I got this in a medium. This is really cute, and it's really stretchy, and it just looks really comfortable. And the price was pretty good. The price is $34 for this one. It actually feels pretty heavy, so I don't know if that's a good thing. I really wanted to keep this one, but it was doing something weird underneath the armpits. It was a little too big, and I didn't want to deal with altering it, so I returned this one too, unfortunately. The next items that I got are for lounging. So this is the Amazon Essentials Women's Studio Terry Capri in Windsor Wine in a size small. And these are just for wearing around the house in doing yard work or housework and stuff like that. I got these in a small too because I think somebody said that they ran big. We'd love to hear from you. Please leave us a review. All right, so these are the terry pants, and these are $18. And there's like a tiny bit of a cinch at the bottom of these. I think I would have liked these a little bit looser, and I also wasn't a very big fan of the tapered leg on the bottom. I just wish it was full length, so I returned this one too. Everything is wrapped in plastic. Very similar to my trunk box unboxing video. I'll link it here if you want to see it. This is a Studio Terry jogger in light gray, but these look so comfortable, and it's like a heather gray. Oh, I think I remember why I got these in a medium. Some items that they ran out of online, you can't get in your wardrobe box. You can purchase it with Amazon Prime, but you couldn't put it in your wardrobe. It's really weird. I really like these pants. The fit was good. The waist was a little bit too big, but I think it's perfect actually for lounging. And I actually wear these on a weekly basis, so I definitely kept these. The next item is a Daily Ritual women's jersey short sleeve boxy pocket t-shirt dress in a size small. So this is just like a striped t-shirt dress that you wear on lazy days when you don't feel like dressing up and you just want to throw something on and it's extremely hot outside. It reminds me of a Miu Miu. I mean, this quality is okay. It's not the best, but it feels like something you would get at H&M or Forever 21 or something. But it's quite soft. I wonder if you can also wear this as a nightgown. I'm sure you can. This is such a comfy dress, and I definitely kept this one. It's very soft, it washes well, it dries well, it's fuss-free, you don't really have to think about it. So this was definitely a keeper. The next item, what's this? This is... oh, these are the shorts. These are the Amazon Essential Women's Performance Mid-Length Active Shorts in a size small, and the price was $11.90. I actually really wanted these in a medium, but they were out of mediums for a Prime wardrobe. You could purchase the medium on its own through Amazon Prime. You couldn't put it in your box. My guess is that they have everything in one warehouse, and if they ran out of sizes in that warehouse, you can't really put it in your Prime wardrobe box. All right, so these are just like workout shorts. Oh my God, this is tiny. This is not gonna fit me. Maybe I'll have to just buy the medium on Amazon Prime. But I wanted to get these to wear under short skirts because I have some skirts that are pretty light. So when the wind blows, it like blows it away and blows it up, and I don't like that. And these are like my safety shorts for skirts. I'll try it on, but it's definitely too small. I can just tell you that off the bat. All right, the last item I got is a pair of shoes, and this is the most expensive item in the box. These pair of shoes cost $118. It's a little bit more than what I usually would pay for shoes, but they were really cute, and I wanted to try the Prime wardrobe, and I just was curious to see how I like them. They're like slipper shoes, but like sandals. So these are kind of laid back, but you can also wear to work. And they came in black, a darker brown, and this beige color. I actually, I'm in between sizes. These are a size 8.5. This was weird too. I really wanted the black ones. They didn't have the black ones available in my size, available for Prime wardrobe, but you can order it through Amazon Prime. So I got this color instead, which is also nice. It's by Splendid, and it's made in India. The shoes fit okay. I just didn't think the material was high quality enough to match the price tag of the shoes. So I went ahead and returned this one, although my dogs really happen to like the smell of it, apparently. So yes, this was also returned. All right, so that was unboxing Amazon Prime wardrobe. Let me know what you thought of this video. Make sure to also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I have new videos up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.